Have you ever wondered why, even after working harder, earning more, and trying your best to save, your money still never seems to be enough? If you're tired of feeling trapped in the same money cycle, if you're tired of seeing prices rise while your income stays the same, then trust me, this video will feel like someone finally explained what's been secretly happening in your life. And before we start, I want to tell you something from the heart. This channel exists to solve your real financial problems. I want to help you build the financial freedom you've always dreamed of, through practical, advanced financial literacy that schools never teach. So if you want a life where money works for you, not against you, subscribe right now, because every video here is designed to change your relationship with money forever. Let me ask you something. Why does it feel like your income rises 5%, but the cost of living rises 25%? Why does saving money feel pointless? Why do people say they earn more than ever, but still struggle to survive? And the biggest question, why does every year feel financially tighter, even when you've done everything, right? You might think, maybe I'm not earning enough, or maybe I'm just bad with money. But what if I told you it's not your fault? It's the system. And there is a silent thief stealing your wealth every single day. A thief that doesn't break into your home, doesn't touch your bank account, and doesn't leave fingerprints. Yet it lowers your purchasing power, shrinks your savings, and slowly destroys your financial future. This thief is called inflation. But the shocking part? Inflation is not just prices going up. Inflation is your money losing value without your permission. And the worst part is you never notice it happening. Not in a day, not in a week, but over years. Until one day you wake up and realize your savings have the power of a broken matchstick. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why inflation is the silent wealth killer that affects you more than the rich, and what you can do today to protect yourself before it's too late. Let me share a truth. Inflation is designed to make the poor poorer and the rich richer. Sounds harsh, right? But let me break it down. Suppose you saved $10,000 in 2010. It felt good, safe, secure. Today, that same $10,000 can buy 45% less than it could back then. Your money didn't grow. It didn't even stay the same. It silently died. This is why the middle class feels stuck. It's why people feel like they're running but not moving, because they are fighting a system designed against them. And here's the secret they never teach you. Inflation is not the rise in prices. Inflation is the fall of the value of money. Prices rise because money becomes weaker. Milk didn't become more valuable. Your money became less valuable. That's the punch in the gut nobody tells you. Inflation destroys your wealth in invisible ways. First, your savings lose power. That money sitting in your bank? It's losing value daily. The interest rate might be 4 to 7%, but inflation is often 12 to 30%. You are losing the battle before it even begins. Second, your salary can't keep up. Employers might raise salaries by 3 to 7%, but inflation hits 15 to 20%. The result? You become poorer even after getting a raise. Third, you pay more for the same life. Same food, same rent, same transportation, but costs keep rising. You're not upgrading your lifestyle. You're paying more just to stay where you are. And finally, it forces you to work harder for less. You think you need to take more shifts or a side job. But the real problem isn't your effort. It's the money system. So why don't the rich fear inflation? Because the rich don't save money. They invest. They buy assets. They use inflation to grow their wealth. The rich understand a simple truth. Money sitting still dies, but money that's moving grows. Now here's the part that can change your life if you apply it. This is the 5-step inflation shield plan. 1. Stop saving and start investing. Even small amounts. Your money must grow faster than inflation. 2. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one income is the biggest risk. 3. Learn high-income digital skills that boost your earnings above inflation. 4. Own assets, not liabilities. Assets grow your wealth. Liabilities drain it. And 5. Upgrade your financial literacy. Because money doesn't make people wealthy. Knowledge does. Listen, you deserve a life where you don't fear the next price hike. A life where money brings peace, not stress. But that life will not come by accident. It comes with financial literacy, the one skill that transforms ordinary people into financially free people. If this video made you think, if it opened your eyes, don't leave without subscribing. I'm building a community that will rise above financial limitations with knowledge, wisdom, and courage. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and share this video with someone you love, because financial freedom